Well, I made the bed bigger, but apparently it needs to be a little bit bigger. Yeah. I was like, I'm good.
It is cold outside.
It's all just very quiet here. Just sorry dogs. You got new neighbors coming. Yes, you do. Uh-huh. Luke and, well, another Bella. Oh, okay. Good dogs. Okay. Your new neighbors will be here in an hour. Good dogs. I don't know what the temperature is outside. I haven't looked in an hour or so. But it's cold. Okay then. Jeez. Lizzie likes the cold. Okay, so I'm not going to change the bed because that gives them a different place that is probably a little cooler. Okay then.